Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to use the game bar on your TCL C61B TV. So, if you want to quickly enable the game bar, you're gonna have to press and hold the Options key, which looks like three landscape lines. Hold them down, and this has to make the game bar appear on your screen. But if you don't see it, just press this button once again, just shortly, and using the quick settings menu, navigate to Game Master option and make sure that you have it set to either on or auto. If you have it set to auto and you have your console connected to your TV should automatically recognize it as a gaming console and automatically enable the game mode. Otherwise, you can just select on and this will enable your game mode no matter what. And now after you enable the game bar by holding down the three stripes button, you'll be able to adjust your aiming aid, which will basically show the crosshair in the middle of your screen. So as you can see, this is what it looks like. And we can of course use the gaming aid settings to adjust the crosshair looks, shapes, color, size, position, etc. Let's disable it. Now we also have the game picture modes, and we have three different game picture modes. This is the general picture mode for most games. Then we also have the FPS, which is more suitable for FPS games, and we have the RPG, which is more suitable for games like, I think, like God of War, or maybe some, I don't know, Bannerlord. So RPG games, maybe, I'm not sure if Skyrim is available for consoles. Most probably it is, yeah. Then auto low latency mode, which we can enable or disable. It's extremely useful for games, for competitive games or games that require quick action from you, and in which you require quick response from your TV. VRR, which is somewhat similar to auto low latency. Then the shadow enhancement, which is basically the feature that will make your device brighter if you increase this value. So this feature is useful in competitive games. So if you are playing competitive games, and if you can set the shadow enhancement to high, and this will make the darker corners of the map brighter, so it will be easier for you to spot your enemies. But if you want your image to be more beautiful, to have more darkness when it's supposed to be, then disable this feature or set it to low shadow enhancement. Then in menu, we can enable or disable the FPS meter, although it just says that it's an FPS meter, but for some reason it shows the value in hertz, and from what I know, this value shouldn't even change during your gameplay, but I haven't tested it. It's just weird. It says hertz and not FPS. Okay, that doesn't matter. Then we can enable the HGIG, and yeah, I'm not gonna explain what it is. It's some kind of the HDR enhancement for your visuals, and you can see what it looks like right here. Then we can also change the screen ratio in supported games, screen position, theme style. So yeah, the theme style of the game bar. We have three available theme styles. We have the green, blue, and cartoon. Personally, I like cartoon. It looks like Nintendo console thing for some reason. And yeah, and if you want to reset your game settings, just select Restore Defaults at the bottom, and so yeah, that's pretty much it. Now, one last thing that I had to mention in the beginning, at the top of your screen you can see all the quick settings applied. in your game mode. And that's basically how you use your game bar on your TCL TV. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.